Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Meta ads with HubSpot. First, log into your HubSpot account and locate the Marketing tab in the main navigation. From there, select Ads to access the advertising tools. You'll then see an option to connect an ad account. Choose Meta Ads from the available platforms to initiate the connection. This step is crucial for synchronizing your advertising efforts. After selecting Meta Ads, you'll be prompted to log into your Meta account. It's important to grant HubSpot the required permissions to access your ad data. Once authorized, you'll see a list of your Meta ad accounts. Carefully select the specific accounts you want to connect with HubSpot. This ensures that only relevant data is pulled into your CRM, streamlining your marketing efforts effectively. With your accounts connected, configure the data synchronization settings. Enable automatic sync for leads and campaign performance metrics to flow seamlessly into HubSpot. Next, ensure the HubSpot tracking pixel is correctly installed on your website. This pixel is vital for capturing detailed visitor behavior and attributing conversions accurately. Take a moment to review and adjust these tracking settings for the best results. Finally, verify that your Meta Ads account is successfully connected within HubSpot's Ad Accounts dashboard. You should see data beginning to populate, confirming the integration. Continuously monitor your campaign performance and lead data directly within HubSpot to optimize your strategies. This unified view helps you make informed decisions. For an amazing upgrade to your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your space tidy effortlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.